Yeah, I think now I'm guessing it should be fine. Chilling. Cool. So as most of you know, I don't do any makeup when I'm doing my shoots, and that is because like I'm lazy about my appearance and all that stuff. But today I'm going to show you my lazy girl how I do my makeup. Everything I need fits into this. I have a whole lot of makeup, that's because I have a shopping problem, but everything I actually use is in this. The first thing I'm going to do, and I know most people do this last, but I'm insane, I'm going to use this perfume called Oud Fatal by Iker. Yeah, it was gifted to me. It's so good, and I'm just gonna use that because I'm smelling nasty. JK, I just showered. Cool, that's the first thing out of the way. The second thing I'm gonna use is this Wisp of Vetiver Healing Tonic by Marceline. This just helps me hydrate my face before I start anything on my face. The next thing is gonna be this concealer that I have used since I'm 16 and I'm really afraid to change it. It's the LA Girls Conceal Pro. I have squeezed every last drop of I think at least 13 to 14 tubes by now. It looks really good on my skin, almost as if I'm wearing nothing, which I like. I'm just gonna do a little bit of spot correction. I feel like a mwah. This is just the easiest routine I have learned ever since I've started doing my makeup. It's what works for my face best. I used to be really into makeup growing up, like when I was 20. I used to really like makeup. 18, 19, 20, I've really enjoyed makeup, and I think it's been a great outlet. But ever since I got a little busy, I have stopped enjoying the process of it, which sucks because I used to really like it and I used to feel myself a lot while doing my makeup also. So I think I'm gonna get back into it, and that's it. And then my hack is to let it sit on my face till I do my brows. I learned this from some makeup artist, I think James Charles, when I was like 16, and I haven't stopped applying it. Then I'm gonna go do my brows. I'm gonna be such a bad beauty influencer. This is the She Glam pencil in the shade. I have no fucking clue, guys. It's brown, basically. It's called Brows on Demand. This step takes me the longest time because, as you all know, I have no brows. But I've recently gotten back into liking this step because I feel like it really frames my face. Okay. For me, I think makeup has always been this way of like knowing that I'm put together and knowing that I'm ready for the day, which is really nice. And I think it also makes me feel like I give a fuck about myself, which is also really nice. I'm doing this because I'm gonna go shoot. It's not like I'm going out. I just need to look a little bit put together for a few reels that I'm shooting today. This is a brush from She Glam again. I'm just gonna spoolie my whatever I couldn't blend because I'm also not wearing glasses, which is something I realized a few months back. I do my makeup without actually being able to see what the fuck is happening on my face. So it's quite commendable. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this crusty brush by I don't know who that I have since I was 14 to quickly blend out everything that I have put on my face. Again, there is no method to this madness. It is just sheer insanity. Insanity to nahi bolna chahiye, but things I have learned work best on my face. I think we all grew up watching beauty influencers do their thing. And for me, like that was also a great start into doing content, just recording myself doing my makeup. Like, you know how you watch football matches again and again to see कि आपके players गलती कहाँ कर रहे हैं. I used to do that with my makeup. The light is shifting so badly because it's raining. Probably not the best day to shoot a makeup tutorial. ट्यूटोरियल तो मैंने एक्सट्रीम ही बोल दिया है, ये ट्यूटोरियल नहीं है. दिस इज़ लाइक मुझे कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, मैं मोटिवेट नहीं हो पा रही हूँ, तो मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा सा सुंदर दिखाऊंगी ताकि मैं सडनली मोटिवेट हो जाऊँ. या आई कांट सी एनी हार्श लाइन्स और व्हाटएवर द हेल. Cute. Cool. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of this Hoola Benefit bronzer that I have again since I was 19. I don't believe in expiration dates. I think they are a myth. Just on my eyelids because I actually really like my pigmented eyes because my natural skin tone hai wo. So I like bringing them out just a little bit, just all over the lid and smudging it properly. It just makes me look put together without doing anything. It's a great base eyeshadow. This brush is again from She Glam. I bought a set of I think 5 or 6 brushes. So far they're holding up quite well. Great quality. Cute. Okay, cool. The next thing I'm gonna do is use blush. This is like my favorite step of the whole makeup thing. This is the one I'm obsessed with recently. It's the Gush Play Tint and it has these 2 shades. I stole this from Appu. It's so good. Like it just does it, bro, for me. Because I'm a huge fan of like doing things with my hands on my face. It helps me just feel a lot more connected to my face. Does that make sense? I'm also a big part of the use blush as everything club. Like, I don't care if my blush is too much because I think it's my patented look now. Just a lot of blush. Yeah, I think that should do it. But I didn't use anything. I think this is gonna last me till I die. I'm gonna use some on my lips. I love the texture of this. It's like super balmy and I like how quick and easy it is. Great to get dressed in the car for sure. Cute. Then I'm gonna have just 4 things left and 2 of these are doubles, so I'm only gonna use one of them. The first is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. Again, Appu left it at my house and I'm just cheap. I haven't given it back. Big fan of like super slutty long lashes. Like, I love them. They look so diva. I feel so awake. Great. And then the last thing, a lot of you asked me about this tint. Unfortunately, it's from Bangkok. I got it from Even Boy in Bangkok. It's called Jolly Sweet by Sassy. It's phenomenal. When I go again, I'm gonna definitely buy this again because what a great tint. Like, it lasts me the whole fucking day. And I like really blotty lines on my lips, like blurred lip lines. I don't like a perfect lip. So this just does that for me. I really like it. And the next thing I stole from my mom, it's the Mars Magic something. I can't even read. Mars Magic Pop Lip Gloss. It really makes my 5-year-old self very happy when I see glittery products. And that's it. I'm ready. I'm ready. It was that easy. I told you, it's a simple routine that now has motivated me to do something about my day, which is great, guys. Don't you think how cool that is? Like, you're able to like do so much with your day just because you look a little bit better. I don't know if I look a little bit better, but I definitely feel a lot better, so that's great. I'm gonna put everything in this bag. I understand why now some women just live out of one pouch and don't buy more product because things are holy grails for a reason. I love the way I smell. Thank you. I love the way I look. I'm really feeling myself. I'm ready to shoot. This was becoming, I don't know what this was a masterclass in, maybe doing your makeup and looking better so that you can feel better. But thank you for helping me become, and I hope I help you become. Mwah. Bye.